Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how you can optimize your posts using Yoast SEO plugin. Now the first thing is you need to log into your website, and when you're on the dashboard you simply go to plugins, and when you're in plugins you're going to add new and you add Yoast. Now I have already my Yoast added. So you can see here I have Yoast SEO, that's the free one, and then I have the premium version as well. So now once you have these, you need to activate them and do a basic setup of Yoast SEO. So now once the setup is done, you're going to navigate to your posts. So you can see the posts with really bad SEO, which are red and orange. The green ones, that means it's good. So let's start with this. So the post is the best travel destinations in Uganda. So it shows here that SEO is not available, readability is okay. So let's start working on the readability. First thing you need to know is with content, paragraphs needs to be at least on 3 lines. So let's optimize the content. Now after that you're going to scroll all the way down, and you can see we don't have a focus key phrase. So we're gonna come to the best travel destinations in Uganda and put it as a focused key phrase, and now you can see it's smiling. So we can get related key phrase here. We are going to use the US, select country. So there's no data. So I'm gonna use destinations in Uganda. Let's try to get a focused key phrase. So you can see this one works. So I'm going to add this. So after that we are going to add a meta description. So we want to make sure that the word destinations in Uganda appears in the first line of our content. So we're gonna add meta description right below here, and then we shall just copy some content. I'll copy this and paste it to my meta description and reduce the number of words. So after that, you can see the status is still okay, readability is still okay. So now we are going to optimize our content. So let's scroll all the way down and see insights. So we're gonna add our key phrase almost in every, at least. So let's see destinations in Uganda for bird lovers. Now you can see our SEO is now good. So we're gonna copy this for adventure and thrill seekers. Destinations in Uganda for party lovers. You need to be smart here. So now let's improve on the readability, since it still has some issues. When you click here you can see consecutive sentences, the same word. Try to mix things up. Okay, so it's going to show you the transition words there are so many tribes, cultures. Okay, so we need to change. So when you go back to your posts, you'll see that the ones marked in green are fully optimized for SEO. The one with orange, that means it's just okay. Green means really good. Orange means good. Orange means good. This means really, really bad. You need improvement. So you can reach out to all these articles and then optimize them to make sure that your content is fully optimized for search engines. Just the way I showed you, you can do the rest for other posts. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, write them in the comments, and see you in the next video.